Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics, and it's that time of year again where Moda has released their newest incredible collections. And as you can see, we went a little crazy here at Shabby Fabrics, and you have a really unique opportunity. This is about the third or fourth time we've done this now, where we're showing you these pre-cuts and giving you a chance to reserve them for a small deposit, and you can know you're going to get your favorite pre-cuts. We all love them, and they're produced one time, so many times. As an early quilter, I didn't figure that out. I'd see somebody else's fabric and thought I had plenty of time to find that. Was I wrong? So without delay, let's just jump into these fabrics. And again, you'll be able to head over to the website for a limited time. There's a window to be able to reserve those pre-cuts. Once the deadline comes, we submit our order to Moda, and that's locked in. If these are pre-cuts you want, be sure to do that as soon as this video is done because there's limited availability, and that cutoff seems to be coming sooner than ever because they're wanting to make sure the pre-cuts arrive into Texas, where Moda is located, to be able to turn those around and head those out to the various quilt shops and online stores. So let's just kick this off. A very, very impressive collection here from Moda Fabrics. Let's start off with Heather Briggs' new collection, Dainty Meadows. Heather is one of Moda's newest designers. She is the owner of My Sew Quilty Life, an awesome lady, beautiful website, very talented designer. Her first collection with Moda absolutely knocked it out of the park. People are so excited. Dainty Meadow is another beautiful shabby chic collection. You're going to want to definitely check that out if you love those more shabby chic style fabrics, soft feminine florals with just the sweetest designs. That's Dainty Meadow, again, by Heather Briggs of My Sew Quilty Life. Grand Haven, some news for you. Minick and Simpson, who have been designers for Moda forever, always these beautiful red, white, and blue, sometimes with a splash of pink. This is their final collection. These ladies have deserved their retirement, and it is now here. So if you have passed over previous Minick and Simpson collections, don't let Grand Haven pass you by. This is a big celebration of what these two ladies have done, and I will absolutely be designing projects to celebrate everything they've contributed to the quilting community. Be sure to pick up those pre-cuts because I'm sure you have projects in mind that would be perfect for Grand Haven. Heading over to Sweetwater, I think this is just one of the sweetest collections of this entire release. These smaller prints and these darling pastels are just singing to me. I absolutely can assure you I'll be busy designing with these. They're very kitschy looking. I can see a lot of kitchen projects and just things that put a smile on your face. So Shine by Sweetwater is definitely one of my favorite picks of this release. And if you love those smaller prints and those sweet pastels, this might be your favorite too. Daisy Lane by Kansas Troubles. We know that we love those just classic, rich colors that really take us back into the roots of quilting. There's a full rainbow of colors here of creams, those burnt oranges, those rich reds, the plums, the navy, the green, the black. This collection has it all. Obviously, we'll be coming out with designs, but again, you probably have some designs of your own you want to do with the amazing Daisy Lane Precuts by Kansas Troubles. Ruinaries Trois by French General. Chateau de Chantilly was their previous collection. Our customers loved that, and I am so thrilled to see Ruinaries come back. This is their third collection. We've had one and two, huge customer favorites, so we're thrilled that French General has released Ruinaries Trois, their third collection of these beautiful, really French Renaissance almost fabrics, that classic European look. The KT Favorites by Kansas Troubles Quilters. I love that Kansas Troubles has come out with these just kind of tonal cream backgrounds. We all need that. That's the flower of the quilting recipe, right? You need that background to do applique on. And I'm thrilled that the KT Favorites backgrounds is available not only in yardage, but pre-cuts. How awesome to grab that as your foundation for maybe your next applique project. The KT Favorites backgrounds by Kansas Trouble Quilters is definitely one to just add to the stash. We love Vanessa Christensen. She is that ombre queen, I would say. She really has changed how people view ombre fabrics, because in the beginning, people didn't know what to do with them. And Vanessa has done an amazing job of showing us exactly what to do with these beautiful ombres. The I Heart Ombre Metallic is so sweet, of course, with beautiful hearts in metallic set against these beautiful colors. So Vanessa is a prolific, not only fabric designer, but also pattern designer, and will absolutely be carrying some of her patterns. So be sure to pick up the I Heart Ombre Metallics by V&Co. Laguna Sunrise by the just unstoppable mother and daughter team, Sherry and Chelsea. Customers love their collections. They're very happy fabrics. They put a smile on your face. Always bright and cheery, an array of colors. A lovely complement of pre-cuts here. Even the honey bun is available on this one. So be sure to pick up your Laguna Sunrise pre-cuts by Sherry and Chelsea. We are really excited to bring in the Ruby Star Society. We have not carried a lot of their fabrics historically in the past, but we thought Juicy by Melody Miller, which is one of their designers, was a really fun collection. All kinds of novelty prints here that'd be cute for bags of all kinds, cosmetic bags, bags for the gym, and other projects. So be sure to check out Juicy by Melody Miller for the Ruby Star Society. And last but absolutely not least, one of our favorite designers, Kate Spain, has come out with a collection called Tango. This is just a really cool collection of mints, greens, some lovely peaches, and also a pop of gold. Kate Spain always has amazing designs and, of course, amazing fabrics to go along with it. So you can see the designers and the design director at Moda has once again, when we think they can't possibly do it again, they did it again. These pre-cuts are incredible. These collections are amazing, and I cannot wait to get busy designing new projects for you. I've already gotten some penciled out. So if you're like, oh yes, I already see my favorites, again, head to that website now to reserve your pre-cuts. And if you've got a quilting friend that does not know that they can reserve this now, let them know and subscribe. That's how you know about all these amazing new opportunities. So I'll see you soon on a Shabby Fabrics video as we reveal more exciting opportunities for you and all your quilting friends. I'll see you then.